want to be Elsa. Uh-oh, it didn't work. Let's try again. Did you know that Portuguese is spoken in 10 countries? For example, Brazil, Portugal, Angola. Are we recording already? Oh dear. Hi, I'm Elsa today, and this is Elsa. We are both Elsas. And both of us are going to teach you some Portuguese. Magic, magic, give me some Portuguese cards. Wow! Today I'm going to teach you 3 important words. The first one is por favor, what means please. Please. The second word is desculpa. Desculpa, what means sorry. The last word what I want to teach you is com licença, what means excuse me. Let's say you're in a shop and then there's too many people and then you can't get through, so you say com licença. Com licença. So what did we learn today? Desculpa, por favor, and com licença. Well done, guys. Now we are going back to Arendelle with my Elsa. Bye-bye.